What is this? This is insane. What kind of packaging is this?
Hi, my name is Elisa Brewer, also known as Chef EB, helping you improve your skills so they can spend more time with your family and less time in the kitchen. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this very unique package from LifeHack. If that's something you want to see, just keep watching. Just like a life hack, LifeHack claims to be the pinnacle of shortcuts to elevate your cooking seasoning to a restaurant level with no hassle. Literally no hassle. This was sent to me by the owners, Fernando and Maria Cruz, who are former classmates of mine from the CIA. Let's take a look at what they sent. So here we have an unboxing for LifeHack. This was sent to me in this amazing spice tube, and I've never gotten anything like this in packaging like this before, so I'm super excited to dive in. And you're seeing it the first time I'm seeing it, so I did not pre-open anything. Hold on, there we go, there's the lip. I didn't pre-open anything and preview it. I'm literally popping it open as you guys see it. So the first thing we have is, Truffle Parm LifeHack. What do we got next? These are the cutest little jars. No restrictions LifeHack. Let's see what else. UnHackable. Oh goodness, this is pretty cool. Man, how many did they send me? The Chicken+Hack. That's fun. The spicy hack. Ooh, we're gonna have to dive in and see what these flavors are. The Applewood smoked salt. This might be my favorite one. Already have a feeling that's gonna be my favorite one. And then finally, the BOLO Hack. Ooh, and I think that's it. Nope, wait, nope. Ooh, swag. Went ahead and sent me a LifeHack sticker. It's pretty awesome. Definitely digging that. And there is a little note. Hold on, let me put the tube in. And the note says, hi Elisa, welcome to the LifeHack community. We know you are a pro, so we are very excited to see you hack your way in the kitchen. Congratulations on your new channel, Best Fernando Cruz. And this is actually one of my friends from college. He's the one that started this LifeHack company, so I'm super excited to actually try these guys out, give them a taste. But I just want to let you know this is how one of these kits come, in this awesome tube with these fabulous taster packs and a little bit of swag and a handwritten note. That's so thoughtful, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity to go ahead and review these. So be on the lookout for a little taste test and ingredient review coming up on the channel. Wow, I cannot wait to taste test these LifeHacks and see how they can not only level up my cooking, but help you save time too. Be on the lookout for those. And for more information about LifeHack, check out the links below. I'll see you next time.